Another way that we can look at dividing decimals is to use partial quotients, just the same as what you did in 4th grade with dividing whole numbers and also in 5th grade when you were dividing whole numbers. So with our problem example here, we're going to do 7 divided by 25 hundredths. So for your workbook pages today, we want to first identify the least place value and then write each number to the least place value. So our dividend is 7 and our divisor is 25 hundredths. We know from our place value knowledge that 25 hundredths is the least place value. So 25 hundredths is already written in the least place value, but we need to change 7 into 700 hundredths so that that is also the least place value. After we do that, then we can begin to divide. So let's look at dividing 700 into groups of 25. I'm going to go with what I know and what's easiest for me, groups of 10. I know 10 times 25 is 250. When I subtract, I'm going to get 450 left. I can make another group of 10. Another group of 10 would be 250. When I subtract from there, I'm left with 200. I can't make another group of 10 because I only have 200 left. But in my mind, I'm thinking, oh, I know how many quarters, because 25 cents is a quarter, there are in $2. I know 4 quarters make $1, so 8 quarters would make $2. So 8 times 25 gives me 200. Here are my partial, broke through that last 10. Here are my partial quotients, 10, 20, 8. So 700 divided by 25 is 28. Or, if I look back at this problem, 700 hundredths divided by 25 hundredths is 28. Your paper shows you the same thing that I just did, only they did 20 first. So if you're more comfortable with 10s or 5s, you can do that. If you're fluent with your numbers and you can do 20 groups of 25 is 500. You would have 200 left over. 8 groups of 25 is 200. And here are your partial quotients that you're going to add up to get 28. So that is your quotient. The rest of your problems on this page, you will be doing the same thing where you are putting your each number in the least place value and then using numbers that you know how to divide with and dividing using partial quotients.